Practical accounting, the better way to learn.
Hey, John.
Hey, we're back.
Adjusting entries for accruals and deferrals. How do students do on this in your tutorial lab?
Oh my gosh. Well, sometimes they're confused. They get them backward. They don't know. But if you watch what we're going to do, we're going to show you how you can know what to do, when to do it, and why it's done. What do you think?
Yeah, in my experience, this is the chapter used oftentimes right before the first exam. We go in and we confuse you right before you take it. So pay attention to this one because it's a student killer. But we'll get you through it. We'll teach you the why before the how. Okay, and the computations are not hard. But what we're going to do, I'll show you a quick look inside. But this is often a confusing chapter for students.
This is called getting over the hump. So if you get past this point, I guarantee you're going to do well.
Okay, let's take a quick look inside. We're going to start out with key issues and terminology. Good news, if you understand the 10 basic transactions, these are common business transactions like buy now, pay later, use later, sell now, collect later, are all accrual accounting. We're going to return to the flow chart that we introduced and show you where we are in this. We're going to then give you a grid and allow you to practice with the solution below of how to classify this within a simple framework where you decide whether cash is after or before delivery and whether you're selling and buying. And we're going to tie that back to the 10 basic transactions. Then we're going to do deferrals. Deferrals in a little more complex matter, but it's really just all the same stuff. We're going to talk about accrued revenues, accrued interest. And the thing about this is the computations are the same. If you're selling and buying, these are all transactions between people. We're going to talk about payroll, which is buying your employees' time. We're going to talk about assets, including supplies, depreciation, throw the twist of we're going to demystify accumulated depreciation for you, tell you to count in your fingers and be careful about the last day. Then we're going to give you a little practice sheet where you can test your knowledge and get your score right away. Here's the key. We're going to show you an adjusted trial balance, unadjusted and adjusted and adjusted trial balance. You do this and it is going to make you good to go.
All right, folks, see you inside the module.
All this content
And more
at practicalaccounting.com. See you there.